Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to the heart of the English countryside for something a little special, a behind the scenes look at how Saxby cider is made. Come with me on this adventure.
Best time if you're making your own cider, the best time to harvest the apples is a little bit where they're overripe, when they're falling, as opposed to underripe, because you've got more sugar in the apple at that point and less starch in the apple at that point, and sugar is going to make alcohol. So the more sugar you've got in there, that's what you want. You want that sweetness and you want that alcohol level. What's happening is the temperature's warmed up now. You have the initial fermentation, and that's done. But what happens now is when things warm up again in spring, you get what's called a malolactic fermentation, which is turned into malic acid to lactic acid. And what that does is it gives it a much smoother flavour. Malic acid is quite harsh, so you taste the cider straight off, just up. It's quite acidic, quite sharp, quite green.
So guys, that's it from the Saxby Ciders tour. What a day. Great people, amazing cider, and a story that's as rich as the flavours. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.